In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a phased project in Asana with tasks and due dates. Start on your PC by opening your web browser and heading to asana.com. Click Log In and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Projects. This is your hub for organizing work. Click the plus icon to create a new project, then choose Blank Project so you're starting from a clean slate. Give your project a clear, descriptive name that your team will immediately understand. Next, select the list layout. List view is great for structured work where you want to see tasks in a straightforward, top-to-bottom format. Click Create to confirm. Now let's lay out the project phases so everything has a logical home. Click Add section and type Phase 1, Planning, then press Enter to save it. Repeat that process to add Phase 2, Design, Phase 3, Execution, and Phase 4. Review, pressing Enter after each one. Sections act like buckets, so setting them up first makes adding tasks much faster and keeps your project neat. Under each phase, click Add Task, type the task name, and press Enter. Keep going to list out all the tasks you know about. Don't worry about perfection at this stage, you can always refine names later. If you're unsure how to phrase a task, start with an action verb and a specific outcome, like draft requirements or finalize mockups. Pressing Enter quickly adds the next task, which makes it easy to capture a whole list without breaking your flow. To add timing details, click a task to open its details. Choose Due Date and select the date that makes sense for your timeline. Setting dates helps Asana surface priorities and reminders. If you'd like to delegate responsibility, click Assign and select the right person, or leave it unassigned for now if you're just planning. As your schedule becomes clearer, you can drag tasks to adjust dates. Once a task has a date, dragging it in supported views, like calendar or timeline, is a fast way to nudge deadlines without opening each task. This is especially helpful when one phase shifts and the rest of the work needs to follow. That's the workflow. Log in, create a blank project in list view, build out the 4 phases as sections, add your tasks, set due dates, optionally assign owners, and fine-tune timing by dragging tasks to adjust dates. Keep names consistent and concise, and revisit dates as your project progresses. With these basics, your Asana project will stay organized, clear, and easy to manage from start to finish.